Hi guys, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do a painting. This time instead of using our medium, we're going to try one with using water as the medium. So let's get started and see what happens. For this painting today, I'm going to be using, this is a hunter green. I'm going to use this pretty brushed metal. It is actually called Brush Rose Gold, which I really like. I'm going to use some black, and we're going to be using white. And I want to get those out of the way there. I've already mixed these up. So what I've done, instead of using my pouring medium, I have used water. And we're just going to pour some little puddles around here, and we're going to see what happens. Take my little stir stick out. Because we're doing fluid art, you need to have some sort of a conductor for the flow, to create the flow. And if you've watched any of the other videos, I've been predominantly using just my pouring medium. And depending on what, if we're going for a lot of cells, the lubricant. But as I said, wanted a little something different. Just giving this little technique a try. It just kind of looked fun, and wanted to see what happened with the water. I'm only going to put black on those two. And oops, well, so much for that glove. Time out. That was hilarious. I'm going to, I had a little accident there. Well, that's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit of the rose gold. And then I want the rose gold over the white. I have a little tray here because I am suspecting that since we've got, the water as our additive, that this is going to flow pretty rapidly. So I've got something over here to catch it so it won't go just absolutely everywhere. I like this green, and I'm not a big, huge green, fan of green, but certain shades just really speak to me. I guess especially if they've got, a bit of blue tone in it. I really like that. All right, I think that's about the end of our rose gold now. So I want to try to keep this where you guys can see it. So I'm going to try very carefully to get my little pan here. And let's see what we can, let's start tilting. Now again, this is just paint and water. and it's definitely flowing really nicely. Got some interesting patterns going on there. Want to let it get all the way across the whole surface. I love this rose. This rose gold, metallic rose gold, is really pretty. Let's see if we can just let that do a little bit. And just keep rotating it, and you know, where it'll, of course, it'll take off across the canvas a different direction, but you want to, I don't know why I wanted to kind of go around that, but we're going to break the dam there. I like the colors now. I may have, may want to add a little more green over here. Let's see what we can, since we're just doing, like I said, since we're just doing mixing water, this will be relatively easy to jump back in and mix a little more. You don't want so much water that it just, you know, completely just runs right off of your canvas by any means. Let's see, I'm going to put like maybe about a, I guess that was maybe a capful, so to speak. And I do want to mix it up. I'm going to add that little layer. That's interesting. Need to add just a little water to the green. I think I still have a good bit of black here. Whoops, yep, I do. And you see that just like went dashing right off. So let's see if we can salvage any of that before it runs completely away here. Well, this was interesting, an interesting take. To me, the water, of course, is going to be more cost efficient, but I can't say that I'm loving how, you know, it just wanted to run right off of the canvas there. So I don't know, maybe I used too much. I like these colors, but, you know, clearly I've got all this here to use here to do the sides. Let's see if I can get more of that color. I do love these colors together. That I'm happy with. And I'm not unhappy with it. I don't mean that. It just, you know, I wanted to try it. It just didn't exactly, it flows way fast. Okay, let me see if I can set that out of the way. And I want to put this down where you can get a good look at it. I hope I didn't have it tossed out of the out of the realm of the video, the shot there too much. I do love this green and that rose gold. I think I may have to do some more projects and use those. Just drizzle some there, and Maybe let that kind of pour back over. Might want to do another one with this green and rose, the rose gold. Still got a little spot here that I'm just not loving. But that's the thing, you know, just because you've poured your paint on and you've tilted it around, you know, it's okay. So I don't like how I just did that edge. So come back and we're gonna do something else here. And I still have my gold, and I like the way that looked when I just added that while ago. So we're gonna, you know, just do that. And then we'll manipulate it around a little bit here. Oh yeah, I love the rose gold. Ah. Yeah, I didn't like what I had done to the edge. I guess is what I probably didn't finish my sentence. But I didn't like the way the edge had looked, you know, when I was adding the paint back in. So this, just adding that back to it. And I have to say, I'm now going to be very careful. I don't want to get it up on the surface, but I definitely want my edges covered, and I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with how this guy looks. So hope you'll leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Again, this was paint, acrylic paints, and water. I'll put all the instructions and paint colors down below, but I like that. We'll let this sit for a minute, and I'll get a final picture, and we'll come back with some final thoughts. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on this painting technique. Like I said in the video, I have not tried using water as the additive. I find it very interesting. Of course, it's, you know, can be a little more cost effective, but I think just for my own satisfaction, I'm going to use this same color combination in my next video, and we're going to use the additive and see if we get any kind of a different result. I'm just curious myself. How about you? But anyway, I hope you have a good day. Please share, like, and subscribe to my videos, and I hope that you will make it yours and make it personal, and you can do it. See you soon.